So, welcome, my dear students, to chapter 11, to chapter 12, sorry, chapter 12, which is about the production and the needs for production and why the production is important. So, why is production and operations management important in both manufacturing and services firms? Production is very important because what do you mean by the production? What do you mean by the production? The creation of products and services by turning inputs into outputs, because we know every system consists of inputs, then process, then outputs, which are products and services. The outputs are products and services. What about the operation management? This is management of the production process. So if the production is here, but the operation management is the management of the production itself. We have production planning, production control, and production improving production and operations. We have also production planning. There is a short term, 1 year for the planning, and medium term for 2 years, and long term over 3 years, like from 3 to 5 years. The decisions in production planning are type of production process, site selection, facility layout, and resource planning. Uh, Types of production is very important. Types of production is very, very important. We have mass production. That means you produce a big amount, a huge amounts of products, standardized products. The ability to manufacture many identical goods at once. Mass customization. Goods are mass produced up to a point, then custom tailored. Custom tailored means we'll start to see what the client want and do what the client want in this product to tailor to the needs of individual in customers. So it's a standardized in the start. It's in the start, it's standardized. Then we will check out to add thing or remove thing to custom the business needs. Customization, the production of goods and services one at a time according to the needs of individual customers. So this goes one by one based on the customer's needs. Process, the process of manufacturing, the basic inputs is broken down into one or more outputs. Assembly process, the basic inputs are combined or transformed into the output. Factors in facility location. Where should I choose the location of the factory? What are the concerns which make me choose this factory in this area or not in this area? The availability of production inputs, are the raw materials there close by the site, close by this land? Then I will make the factory here. Marketing factors. Marketing factors are there is like the harbor or the port is close by me so that I can market my own production. Manufacturing environment. How is the environment here in this area? Is it suitable for making a factory here? Local incentives. Are the people there around me? So when I need manpower and when I need people to work, shall I find them? International location considerations and process layout and make or buy decisions. When I will make and when I will buy, I will make the parts which I need if the cost of making is less than the cost of buying it. But the opposite, if the cost of making it is so higher, then I will buy it. That will be cheaper for me. How about the layouts or the figure of the configuration of the figure of the factory? It It's based on the type of product. So we have process layout, workflow according to the production process. Product layout, workstations or departments are arranged in a line with products moving along the line. So the product is moving and you are adding to this product. Fixed position layout, the product stays in one place, like as example, the planes or the buildings, the construction. The building or the plane in one place because it's very heavy, you cannot move it, and you come feeding the plane with the spare parts and all in one place because the plane cannot move on a phases or stages for production. Here it show me like those kind of layouts. Those are the factors where I will consider for make or buy decision. How much the quantity I need of the item. So if the quantity I need is so much, that means I better make. If the quantity is little, does not deserve to spend money for making, then I will buy it. Standard or non-standard items. If the items are standard or non-standardized, non-custom, in that case, I have to make my decision buy or make. Size of components, special design features, and quality and reliability. What is the inventory? What do we mean by the inventory? The supply of goods that a firm holds for use of production or for sales to customers. This is the inventory. Inventory management will tell me how to keep in hand from the inventory because excess amount of inventory is not good for the organization because it costs you money, and the more it costs you, you will have this will affect on your profits. So you have to keep the amount of inventory that you need for the work only, no more, no less. And we have a model, we call it economic order quantity, that govern the relationship, how many units you could keep safely with the lowest possible costs of holding costs and acquisition costs. What do we mean by the supply chain? This is another job. What do we mean by the supply chain? Supply chain management means what? The goal of is the entire sequence of securing inputs, producing goods and delivery goods to customer. So all the activities that is involved that are involved in the movement of goods and services from the consumer to the producer will go in this category. The goals is satisfying customers' needs with quality products and services. Here what we call it Gantt chart, and I show it to you also. Is there, we talk about it. Quality is very important for us. Total quality management is a philosophy of the continuous focus on the quality through all the phases, through all the phases of production. So it includes also continuous improvement. Six Sigma is that relies on defending what needs to be done to ensure quality, measuring and analyzing results, and ongoing improvement. We have also to know that we have ISO 9000. This is for the quality of the products, a set of 5 technical standards of quality management to provide a uniform way to determining whether manufacturing plants and services confirm sound quality practices. So if you see the ISO 9000 on any product, that means that goes, it is matching and addressed by the quality standards. It's applying the quality standards 100%. Uh, the quality from the raw materials, the phases of production, the inspection, everything is right. This is ISO 9000. However, the ISO 14,000, it is regarding the environment, one word. It's regarding the environment. So, is this product friendly environment or no? This is what I care about. So, this product matching or is it harmful for the environment, like polluting the environment and causing troubles to the environment? So, ISO 14,000 care about the environment around us, and that this product is product environment friendly. Lean manufacturing streamlining production by eliminating steps of the production process that do not add benefits to the customers. You make the phases of production 11, and they are not worth all this. They are 9. So I have to eliminate all the unnecessary phases. Just in time, JIT, a system in which materials arrive exactly and they are when they are needed for production. Because you don't need, like we said in the inventory management, you don't need more units. You don't need more units as inventory, because this will cost you excessive amount of money. You don't need to spend it. You need only the inventory which come to you just in time to produce only what you have to produce. But do not save as a stock, because saving as stock also is having its own costs. If you don't need it, don't do it. Now, the technology and its role in the production system. Technology is affected by now affects on the computer aided design and manufacturing systems like the AutoCAD, and the robotics. Now you see the factories of the whole world are run by software. Rarely that you find assembling car or something, all mechatronics, all machines that are directed by softwares, and you don't find too much people working, especially in Japan, Germany. Those countries are having because of the high cost of the labor. So instead, they use the robotics that help for production, and at the same time, it does not cost anything. Flexible manufacturing systems. This is the technology also, the rule of technology, and computer integrated manufacturing. So the computers are there to help in manufacturing. Uh, Thank you so much for listening, and I wish you a very good night. Thank you, everybody, and see you in the next